Welcome to Make It at Home. Today we're making bloody handprint window cleanings. This project will take multiple days. Put it somewhere safe while drying. The supplies you need are 2 ounces of glue, red food coloring, blue food coloring, plastic wrap, wax paper, plastic spoon, foam board, cutting board or clipboard, tape, and gloves. The first thing you want to do is prepare your work area. Wrap the plastic wrap carefully around the cutting board, clipboard, or cardboard so that the surface is completely smooth. This is actually the hardest task involved in the whole project. Secure the plastic wrap with tape on the back side or the front or everywhere just to make sure that it's smooth. Using some of the glue and the spoon provided, coat your hand in white glue. Make sure you get a nice even covering. Press your hand down on the plastic wrap, leaving a white handprint on it. Fill in the shape of each handprint with more craft glue to a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Set your handprint aside to dry. Now you're ready to mix up your colored glue. You were provided 2 ounces. Half of that should be used to make the colored glue. Add a single drop of blue food coloring and mix well. Once it's mixed, you can start adding red food coloring 1 drop at a time. Stir thoroughly between drops until the mixture reaches a shade just lighter than what you want the finished product to be. Now that your fake blood has reached the color that you would like, you're ready to make your handprint. You will stain your hand with red dye during the step, so if that's a problem, wear a glove. Holding your hand over the plastic wrap, use the back of the spoon to paint a thick layer of the glue mixture onto it. It doesn't need to be perfect, but make sure it's pretty thick everywhere but the center of your palm. Flip your hand over and press it onto the dried glue print. Then carefully pick your hand back up. Use a spoon to carefully pour and spread more fake blood onto the handprints to ensure that they are all about 1/8 of an inch thick. You can also add more colored glue in any shapes you'd like, about 1/8 of an inch thick, on the plastic wrap. Allow the glue to dry until it becomes translucent before you carefully peel off your handprints and blood drops. You can store them between sheets of wax paper unless you intend to use them immediately.